Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve purchases on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve purchases on Telegram, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can enter to the window of Telegram. Here you can click on first step and you can click OK. Then you can click on storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.